Create. Build a website that works for you. Create is an AI-powered website builder that makes creating and developing a website you want easily. Build a website that impresses. Build and create your website based on your preferences. With the AI-powered website builder Create, discover the platform that enables you to design, build, and develop a website in the exact way you dreamt of. Create high-quality websites that showcase your brand, business portfolio, blog site, or a store you would like to open. All these are made effortlessly with Create. Customize your site. Add the latest AI-enabled features and optimize your website according to the SEO guidelines to increase your brand presence online with the help of optimized content. Choose from thousands of templates available and create the perfect website customized to meet your business needs. Design a website and make it come to life with various effects, backgrounds, animations, and visuals to choose from. With Create, build and manage your website and make your business grow online. Working on your website? How about building a website that works for you? The Create Easiest Website Builder offers you a website with dynamic homepage that changes every day, bringing in a refreshing look each new day to your business. Customize your homepage message to cater to your new market segment specifically. Give a new look to your homepage with added GIFs or videos that ups the way you connect with your web visitors. It is effortless to customize. Create a homepage that best communicates to your audience or select from an endless repertoire of inbuilt themes with complete ease based on your requirement. The AI-enabled Best Website Builder software helps you create an SEO-compliant and highly responsive website that is compatible across multiple devices. The multilingual feature of Create lets you connect with your regional audience effortlessly and build on your pool of customers. This is Robert Tantullo, your fellow legacy leader, proud Onpassive founder.